Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial that will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called Zola, Z-O-L-A. In the video, we will find out why exactly this ransomware is called like that. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not associated with this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I'll just show you how damaging this ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, this ransomware may be very easily injected, so it appends this Zola extension to the file names. As a result, it's just impossible to open the files. In the ransom note, the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. Get it on the website on the official page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button. Install it and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button after you launch the application for the first time. The software will most likely update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. So do not skip this very important update procedure. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Let me pay attention to the anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner. This feature helps to actually remove this ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data. Speaking regarding file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more detailed information regarding file decryption. So let me summarize what I have told you. Combo Cleaner effectively detects and removes this particular ransomware. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. Nevertheless, in the description to this video you can find a special link which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data. That information can help you possibly recover the files.